Welcome to the next video on special functions. In this video, we discuss about the solution of Legendre differential equation. So an equation of the type 1 minus x square d square by dx square minus 2x dy by dx plus n into n plus 1 y equal to 0. So this kind of equation is called as Legendre differential equation. So if you observe, this is the second order linear ordinary differential equation with variable coefficients. So in this video, we try to find the solution of the Legendre differential equation. So consider the equation 1 minus x square d square by dx square minus 2x dy by dx plus n into n plus 1 y is equal to 0. Let me call it as number 1, equation number 1. So if you observe here, the coefficient of d square by dx square is 1 minus x square. So in this coefficient, if I substitute x is equal to 0, so 1 minus x square is a non-zero term. So if the coefficient of d square y by dx square is not equal to 0 for x is equal to 0, then x equal to 0 is called as an ordinary point. If the coefficient of d square by dx square, which is 1 minus x square in this case, if it is not equal to 0, for x equal to 0, when I substitute x is equal to 0, if the coefficient of d square by dx square is non-zero, we call that point as ordinary point. See, if x is equal to 0 is an ordinary point, then the series solution is given by y is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square and so on, with a0 not equal to 0. So in this case, we don't get the term x power k. It is only y equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square and so on. So let me take this as a solution of the equation number 1, the series solution of equation number 1. So using summation, this equation number 2, the solution of 1 can be written as summation ar x to the power r, where r takes the value 0 to infinity. So equation 2 and 3 are one and the same, which is the series solution of equation number 1. Since this 3 is the solution of equation 1, so y should satisfy the given equation. So next we find the derivative of y with respect to x and second derivative of y with respect to x. Then substitute in this equation number 1 to find the value of ar. So differentiate y twice with respect to x. So get dy by dx is ar is constant. The derivative of x power r is r into x power r minus 1. Call it as number 4. And d square by dx square is a into r, ar into r is constant. The derivative of x power r minus 1 is r minus 1, x power r minus 2. Call it as number 5. Substitute 4 and 5 in the Legendre equation. So Legendre equation is 1 minus x square d square by dx square minus 2x dy by dx plus n into n plus 1 y equal to 0. So substitute the value of d square by dx square here. So get 1 minus x square into this sum. So I take 1 into d square by dx square, that is 1 into this summation, minus x square into d square by dx square, then minus 2 times x into this dy by dx, then n into n plus 1 y. So first 1 into d square by dx square means we get this term as it is ar, r into r minus 1 x power r minus 2, minus x square into d square by dx square. So ar, r minus 1, x square into x power r minus 2 is x to the power r. Then minus 2 as it is x into dy by dx. So x into this term is ar, r into x power r, n into n plus 1 y. So y is ar into x power r. So we get n into n plus 1 y equal to 0. So this is by substituting dy by dx, d square by dx square and y in the given equation. So we get this. Now equate the coefficient of x power r to 0. So we equate the coefficient of x power r to 0. So in this, find the coefficients of x power r and equate them to 0. In the second term, the coefficient of x power r is minus AR r into r minus 1. In the third term, the coefficient of x power r is minus 2 AR into r. In the last term, the coefficient of x power r is n into n plus 1 AR. In the first term, we have x to the power r minus 2. So if you want to get the coefficient of x power r here, so you must go 2 terms forward. So 2 steps forward. So next term is x to the power r minus 1. There's r minus 2 plus 1 is r minus 1. And its next term is x to the power r. When you go 2 steps forward, you get x to the power r. And the coefficient will be r becomes r plus 2. This becomes r plus 2. R plus 2 minus 1, you get r plus 1. So the coefficient of x power r from the first term is ar plus 2, r plus 2 and r plus 1. And from this we get r into r minus 1 minus 2 ar into r plus n into n plus 1 ar, and equate that to 0. Now here, second term, third term and fourth term contain ar. So take ar common here and take all these terms to right hand side. So get ar plus 2, r plus 2, r plus 1 as it is. So take this entire term and all these 3 terms to right hand side. So minus ar, r into r minus 1 becomes plus ar, r into r minus 1. So take ar common, you get plus r into r minus 1. Minus 2r becomes plus 2r. Plus n into n plus 1 becomes minus n into n plus 1. Now simplify this bracket to get r square minus r plus 2r. So r square minus r plus 2r is plus r minus n square and minus n divided by r plus 2 into r plus 1. This ar as it is. So take this r plus 2, r plus 1 to right hand side. So get in the denominator r plus 2, r plus 1. So this bracket becomes r square minus r plus 2r is plus r minus n square and minus n. This ar as it is. Here, if you observe, we have r square minus n square. Combine first and third term. R square minus n square becomes r minus n into r plus n. And this r minus n as it is. So r square minus n square is r minus n, r plus n. And second and fourth term is r minus n as it is. Again, the numerator r minus n is common. Take it out. If you take r minus n common, you get r plus n and plus 1. And here I take minus n common. I write minus of n minus r, then n plus r plus 1. Denominator as it is r plus 2, r plus 1 into ar. Here r is in a number greater than or equal to 0. So we get ar plus 2 as minus n minus r, n plus r plus 1, r plus 2, r plus 1 into ar. Here substitute r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So first substitute r is equal to 0. You get minus n plus 1 divided by 2 into 1. So minus n into n plus 1 as it is. 2 into 1 can be written as 2 factorial and this becomes a naught. Next take r is equal to 1. You get a 3. 1 plus 2 a 3 minus n minus 1. N plus 1 plus 1 is n plus 2. Here we get 1 plus 2, that is 3 into 2, that is 6. 6 can be written as 3 factorial, a1. Next put r is equal to 2, you get a4 is equal to minus n minus 2, n plus 3 by 4 into 3. R is 2, so you get 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 1, 3 into a2. Now substitute a2 is equal to minus n into n plus 1 by 2 factorial into a0. So here substitute a2 equal to this term. So this minus and this minus become plus. So in the numerator we get n plus 1, n minus 2, n plus 3. So I write them in the increasing order. I get n minus 2, n plus 1, n plus 3 in the numerator. 4 into 3 into 2 factorial. So we get 24, which is 4 factorial into a0. By substituting a2 equal to minus n into n plus 1 by 2 factorial, we get plus The numerator n minus 2, n plus 3, n and n plus 1. So I arrange them in the ascending order, n minus 2, n plus 1, n plus 3. Denominator 4 into 3 into 2 factorial is 4 factorial into a naught. Put r is equal to 3, you get a5 is equal to minus n minus 3, n plus 4 divided by 3 plus 2, 5, 3 plus 1, 4 into a3. Here substitute the value of a3, which is minus n minus 1, n plus 2 by 3 factorial into a1. So again, this minus and this minus become plus. The numerator, we get n minus 3, n minus 1, n plus 2, and n plus 4. So n minus 3, n minus 1, n plus 2, n plus 4. 5 into 4 into 3 factorial becomes 5 factorial into a1. In the same manner, find a6, a7, and so on. So once you get a2 in terms of a0, we are getting a3 in terms of a1, a4 in terms of a0, a5 in terms of a1. Means all a's with even suffixes we get in terms of a0. All a's with odd suffixes we are getting in terms of a1. So once you get a2, a3, a4, a5, and so on, substitute them in equation number 2, which is the series solution of Legendre equation, which is given as a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube and so on. Since we have a2, a4, a6 in terms of a0, a3, a5, a7 in terms of a1, so we separate out all the powers with even suffix, then all the powers with odd suffix. Here I write a0, a2x square, a4x power 4 and so on. And here I write a1x, a3x cube, a5x power 5 and so on. Here substitute the value of a2, a4 and so on. In this bracket substitute the value of a3, a5 and so on. So we get a0 as it is, a2 is minus n into n plus 1 by 2 factorial into a0, x square as it is. a4 is n minus 2, n plus 1, n plus 3 by 4 factorial into a0, x power 4 as it is, and so on. Here keep a1x as it is. a3 is minus n minus 1, n plus 2 by 3 factorial into a1 into x cube. a5 is n minus 3, n minus 1, n plus 2, n plus 4 by 5 factorial into a1, x power 5 and so on. So in this first bracket, take a0 common, a0 outside. In the second term, take a1 outside. So we get a0 into this sum plus a1 into this sum. So I denote this entire sum by y1 of x and this sum by y2 of x. So the solution of the Legendre equation is given by a0 y1x plus a1 y2x. This is like c1 y1 plus c2 y2. So this is the solution of Legendre differential equation containing two arbitrary constants a0 and a1. Here both a0 and a1 are the arbitrary constants, and the two independent solutions are y1x given by this bracket, this sum, and y2x is the second independent solution given by this sum. So y equal to a0 y1x plus a1 y2x is the general solution of Legendre equation. So the solution of Legendre equation or general solution of Legendre equation is given by y is equal to a0 y1x plus a1 y2x, where y1x is 1 minus n into n plus 1 by 2 factorial into x square plus n minus 2 n plus 1 n plus 3 by 4 factorial into x power 4 and so on. And y2x is given by this sum, where n is any number. So next video, we see the properties based on these two solutions, y1x and y2x. Thank you.